In this video, I'm just going to show you how to create a list in Threepool. Lists are a really fantastic way that you can organise your reviews and recommendations around particular topics, as well as inviting people to contribute their own reviews to those lists, as well as also engaging an audience around your own opinions. So you start by selecting the plus button in the bottom centre of the app, and then the second menu item there, create a new list. I'm going to create a list here for business podcasts. So I'm going to call that business podcast. You can add a description there if it needs more information. It's pretty clear what this one's for though. And then you select an icon. So it's a podcast, so I'll go for a microphone. That's a good one there. And then click through to next. Here you set the permissions about who can contribute to that list. So you can set them so that they're open, essentially public. Anybody can come in and add recommendations to the list. You can have it as invite only. So only people who have access to the invitation link are able to join and make contributions to that list. Or you can have it also as requiring approval. That means that they've not only got to have access to the link, but if that link gets shared out to people who you don't want to participate in the list, then you've got the option there to decline their application or their request to contribute to that list. You've also got the option here to allow subscription. So if you're wanting to engage an audience around a curated list of reviews and recommendations that you're making, then by allowing subscription, then anybody within Threepool can subscribe to your list and follow the recommendations that you post to it. So we're just going to make that invite only for now, and we'll allow subscription. We'll go next. And what that's going to do is take me into the list, and you can see here I'm in the settings for the list and I'm on the invite contributors page. And in the same way that you invite connections into Threepool, you can invite contributors either by copying a link and sharing that, or clicking the share invite link, which will open up your sharing options. And if people click that link, if they've already got the app, they'll be prompted to accept that invitation. If they don't have the app, they'll need to download it and then click that link. And similarly to connections, if you've got people you want to contribute with you, you can ask them to scan that code. And so that there is the business podcast list. You can then go in and add reviews to that list.